These are the Jannus elevators at the Tampa International Airport in Tampa, Florida. As you can see, they're being modded. We're gonna ride a new one first. Actually, no, one is locked on this side of the garage too. We are at 8. Now we're gonna go to 1. Here's your inspection certificate, and here's your cab view. Again, these are the Jannus elevators. Oh, actually, we can go down to 1. I didn't even realize I pressed 1 until now. As you can see, that whole part of the garage is under construction. Oh, and also, you can see the work being done on this elevator. Doors are shut though, you can't really see anything. But anyway, let's go up to 2 and switch cars. As you can see, only one of the new elevators is in service. So they are a little under halfway done with this mod project. Anyway, let's ride an old one. New buttons, old buttons. Now that I know 1 works, let's go down. Let's go 1. Let's go to 8. Here's your directory. And let's go down to 1 again. Actually, you know, on second thought, let's just end it at 2. So there are your buttons. Here's your inspection certificate. And here's your cab view, although it's the same as all the others. Camera went out of focus. There we go. And Jannus elevators. There it goes. And that'll be it.